Okay, today we're starting something new, and that is taking a system, again, which is two equations and two variables, at least two equations with at least two variables, and solving that system by a different method. This is a problem that you would want to maybe check out and see if you could easily do substitution, but it would be hard to get the variable by itself without creating fractions. So substitution would not be the way to go for this problem. So elimination would probably be the best route. So if you've read this screen with the elimination, what you want to check for is that your x's are lined up, and they are. Your y's are lined up, your equal signs are lined up, and your constants. If they're not lined up like that, you're going to move things around. Then you're going to check and see if you have the same number, same coefficient, with different signs in front of one of the variables. In this particular problem, we have a 3x and we have a negative 3x, which is awesome. That's what we want. So what you're going to do is, for elimination, all you're going to do is you want to create the same number in front with different signs if you don't have it. Because we have it, we're ready to go with the next step. And that next step is adding these two equations together. Why we add these two equations together is because this x term gets eliminated. 3x minus 3x is 0. So when we add these together, be careful of the signs. Negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6y. We're just combining like terms. And 2 plus negative 26 is negative 24. We're going to divide both sides by negative 6. And I get y is equal to 4. That's one of our answers. That's all there is to that part of the problem. Then I go up into one of my other original equations, one that has two variables, and I know the y, so I just want to figure out what the x is. We did something like this with substitution. So I go up here and I'm like, well, I don't know the x, but I can replace the y with 4. So I'm going to replace this y with 4. I have 3x minus 16 equals 2. I'm going to add 16. I get 3x equals 18. And when I divide by 3, I get x is equal to 6. Once I have both of my variables, I write it as an ordered pair. And I have the ordered pair 6, 4 for my solution. That's really all there is to, this is obviously the easiest kind of elimination problem, but that's all there is to it. And you're done.